Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy toffee at home. This delightful treat requires just a few common ingredients and minimal effort, promising a delicious result every time. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your supplies to enjoying the final crunchy pieces. Get ready to create a truly irresistible homemade confection that everyone will adore. It's simpler than you think. Now, let's start cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 1 cup of unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Stir this mixture constantly over medium heat. The key here is patience and a candy thermometer. You need to reach precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit for that perfect, crisp toffee texture. Keep stirring to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. Once your toffee reaches 300 degrees, immediately pour it onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Work quickly. Then, generously sprinkle 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips evenly over the hot toffee. Let the residual heat do its magic for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the chocolate to soften. After that, use an offset spatula to spread the melted chocolate into a smooth, even layer. The final step is cooling and breaking. Allow your beautiful toffee to cool completely. This can take about 1 hour at room temperature, or you can pop it into the refrigerator for 30 minutes to speed things up. Once it's firm and brittle, the most satisfying part begins, breaking it into irregular, bite-sized pieces. Now, your homemade toffee is ready to be enjoyed or shared with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.